I have a plan to transform this old factory into a skills training center for us.
What, this old place?
Yes, but it will need a lot of work.
All right, boys, we're going to start by securing the roof, then we'll clear the interior.
Got it.
There's a lot of work ahead, but together we can bring the foundry back.
Keep sweeping that dust to the center. Vacuum up that pile by the machine. Let's get these parts in the bin, team.
Ensure the crack is sealed before support installation. Understood. Preparing surface now.
The truss diagram calls for another 6 plates here. Understood. We need to reinforce those joints immediately and secure the new beams onto level 6. On it. Get the lifts ready. The alignment needs to be perfect here. I agree. Use the laser level to be sure. Line it up with the frame. Tighten that last bracket, mate. Check the blueprint for the next section. Keep it steady. Tighten those up. All right, next panel. Measure that wall out, will you? Yep, already on it. All right, bring it over here. Watch the corner. Ready with the hoist.
Keep tightening those bolts. We need this section secure. Pass me the laser. Let's check the alignment. Watch your sparks. The booth is almost ready. Check the torque on the main bolts. Adjust the laser just a fraction. Barriers are secured. Start labeling. Vehicle tests look positive.
Keep a steady hand. Check this calibration setting. Pass me the 3/8 wrench. Nice work, let's examine it.
Welcome, everyone. Good morning. Ready for a great day? Absolutely.
Welcome, we're glad you're here. Good morning. Good morning, ready for today? Let's check this final gauge. Good morning, instructors. Morning, gentlemen, looking sharp. Ready for the day, sir. Always. Let's head in.